हेलो गाइस एंड नमस्ते। आज मैं अपनी वीडियो हिंदी में स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आधार्स Ayurveda. Now, Aadhar's Ayurveda is an Indian brand. It's come up with many good things. Now, I am going to talk about Aadhar's Ayurprash, जो कि एक च्यवनप्राश in a capsule. अब हम सबको पता है च्यवनप्राश के इतने गुण हैं और स्पेशली अभी इस पेंडेमिक में एवरीबडी इज लाइक च्यवनप्राश खाओ, ये खाओ, वो खाओ। एक चीज़ जो च्यवनप्राश में होती है वो इस कैप्सूल में है। नाउ एवरी पैक ऑफ आधार medicines or any product is safe, natural and cruelty free. This is packed with goodness of nutrition and all the science that goes back 6,000 years ago, that is Ayurveda. Now myself, I simply believe in Ayurvedic products and homeopathy, not more in allopathy. So when I got this, I was really happy. Now Aadhar Ayurprash Chyawanprash, this is specially designed to build your immunity. Now in this times you definitely need to build your immunity, which is very important. Now this has 31 active ingredients for immunity, 100% natural sources of vitamin C, because they say that it is 100% natural, it is non-GMO. GMO, it means that so nothing is genetically modified, no the organism जो good organism होता है कुछ भी genetically नहीं किया गया है इसमें, everything is natural. When something is genetically changed, it is not natural at all, but this is definitely natural. It is FSSAI certified, which is good and definitely very good for daily use. इनके और भी बहुत different है for daily problems like constipation, diabetes, and you should definitely check their website. I will link everything below. Now Ayurprash is India's first Chyawanprash in a capsule with 31 natural ingredients, a daily source of immunity and natural vitamin C जो आपको खाना चाहिए. The capsules looks like this. Ayurprash capsules keep you and your family safe from infections around you, like cold, common cold, cough, because this definitely helps you in build immunity. Now this is designed with amla, giloy, tulsi, brahmi, ashwagandha, neem and more 25 ingredients, which is so good. Now guys, it is suggested that you have 2 capsules in the morning after breakfast with a glass of water, and this has 60 capsules, तो मतलब 1 month का ये है, but I take only 1 capsule. This is what is my honest review. I am taking only 1 and I think I'm really happy because this is something very natural. I also received their sanitizer, which is again natural, so I've finally got a good and safe sanitizer to use for sahib. So guys, I will definitely suggest कि अगर इस टाइम पे generally भी आपको अपनी सेहत का, अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना होता है, definitely see this brand, look at their website and see what is good for you and for your family. If you want, you can just ask your any Ayurvedic doctor कि हम ये ले सकते हैं. Just consult once and then you can have it. So yeah, for kids definitely consult and then take, but बड़ों के लिए ये immunity definitely इस time पे I will again say कि अभी जो time चल रहा है उसमें हमें अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है. और ये च्यवनप्राश, आयुर्प्राश च्यवनप्राश इन अ कैप्सूल इज डेफिनेटली डिजाइंड फॉर द सेम पर्पस कि आपको आपकी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड हो एंड यू कैन फाइट दोज इन्फेक्शंस विच आर अराउंड राइट नाउ एंड इवन द कॉमन कोल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर. मुंबई हैज़ अ वेरी बैड वेदर, गर्मी, ठंडी, and this all affects our health, overall health. So this is definitely gonna help you guys. This is gonna help you. Now इसके ingredients again I had said it is आंवला, vitamin C, very good. गिलोय जितना मुझे पता है, गिलोय ऐसी चीज़ है जो अंदर से कितना भी पुराना बुखार हो वो निकाल देती है, which is very good. तुलसी, we don't have to say anything because तुलसी is packed with benefits. तुलसी आपकी overall health के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, immunity बहुत अच्छा है for the immunity. ब्राह्मी Jatamansi, Long. There are few which I don't know the meaning, but Long is very good for your cough, and Ashwagandha, cinnamon, Neem. Neem, you know, it fights infection. Guys, this is packed with goodness. जैसे हम च्यवनप्राश खाते हैं वैसे ही ये है. च्यवनप्राश ऐसे नहीं खाया जाता है कई लोगों को. This is something you just pop it in. आजकल लाइफ बहुत इजी बना दी है. So is आधार. It has made life easy. Just pop the capsule and you have all the benefits of च्यवनप्राश. So guys, I hope you like this video because आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी important थी और एक डिफरेंट टॉपिक था ओवरऑल हेल्थ के लिए. सो गाइज, आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इट इज़ हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एंड डू ट्राई टू शेयर ताकि ये सबको बेनिफिट हो. टिल देन गाइज, यू स्टे हैप्पी एंड यू बी स्टाइलिश. बाय.